Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device is on the latest Jio Bharat V2 firmware. This avoids codec and DRM issues. Once done, sign into your Jio ID and connect to a stable 4G or Wi-Fi link. Aim for at least 3 Mbps for smooth playback. Then open the Only Way store, locate the YouTube client, and install it. You're acting now to prevent common errors, updates fix playback, and a logged-in account lets you access subscriptions and personalize suggestions. Once the app is installed, you configure playback and account settings to match your connection. You sign into YouTube using your Jio ID so subscriptions and history sync. This matters because Only Way uses that data to populate your home feed. Next, grant required permissions like storage. Without them, downloads and cache will fail. Make sure to set playback quality to auto or choose 480p/720p according to bandwidth to avoid buffering. These settings balance data use and smooth viewing. You finish by testing real content. Play varied videos, enable captions, and try casting if supported. If playback stutters, clear the app cache and restart the device. If login fails or the app crashes, reinstall the Only Way YouTube client to reset corrupt files. Finally, if streams still fail, check your network for strict NAT, VPN interference, or ISP port blocks. These block adaptive streaming. A quick troubleshooting step: toggling airplane mode, then reconnecting often renews.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.